You're driving down the highway and out of nowhere that dreaded check engine light flips on. And if you hook up a scanner, you might be looking at a P3493 code. Now, what exactly does this mean for your vehicle? This specific code points to the cylinder 12 exhaust valve control circuit being completely open. Let me break that down. A lot of modern, larger engines use cylinder deactivation to save you gas. When you're just cruising along without putting much load on the engine computer or ECM is smart enough to shut down some cylinders, turning a V8 into a V4 for example. It manages this trick by using variable valve timing solenoids to actually keep the exhaust valves completely closed on those specific cylinders. If the computer tries to send a signal to the solenoid for cylinder 12 and the electrical circuit is open, basically a broken connection, it triggers this code. The computer might even disable the fuel injector for cylinder 12 just to protect the engine, which is why you'll likely feel a very noticeable misfire and see a drop in your fuel economy. Don't panic and immediately buy a new solenoid though. The most critical thing to check first is your engine oil. These systems rely heavily on proper oil pressure. If your oil level is low, or if you've missed a few oil changes and thick sludge is blocking the tiny oil passages, the system can't operate. Check your dipstick right away. If the oil is full and clean, you need to visually inspect the wiring going to that solenoid. Because it sits right next to the scorching hot exhaust manifold, the wires can easily get brittle, crack, and break. Also check the electrical connector for any green corrosion. Only if you have verified good oil pressure and solid wiring should you consider testing or replacing that specific variable valve timing solenoid.